The Hikvision DS-7732NI-K4 16P NVR delivers reliable 32-channel recording with 16 integrated Power over Ethernet ports, making it well-suited for medium to large surveillance deployments. Its support for ultra-high-definition 4K cameras allows you to capture very detailed footage that is useful for identifying faces, license plates, and fine scene details. The unit can accommodate multiple hard drives for a very large total storage capacity, so continuous recording and long retention are practical in busy environments. Integrated universal serial bus backup makes exporting clips for evidence or archiving straightforward, even for users who are not highly technical. Compatibility with OnVIF cameras gives you flexibility to mix different brands and models while still managing everything from a single recorder. The build quality and thermal design are solid, so the recorder runs stably for long periods, which is critical for 24-hour security systems.